Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math. Fractions chapter. Exercise 6A. Question number 6. Geeta has 1 and 5/6 liter of juice and Mamun has 13/8 liter of juice. Who has more juice and what is the amount? There are two fractions here. We have to identify which is bigger or larger than the other. And how we identify? Before we do any operation, we have to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, let us start. 1 and 5/6 equals to, we are changing to improper fraction. 6 into 1 plus 5 is 11. 11/6. The other is 13/8. 13/8. Now we have to say which is larger or which is bigger, and it is not possible to say which is bigger unless we have the denominators common or same. So first thing, we have to have common denominator. Common denominator. We can always use LCM to have the common denominator. Here denominators are 8 and 6. 8 and 6. How we get the LCM or common denominator? Let us find. Divided by 2, 4 into 2. We are just finding the LCM. That will be the common denominator. So 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. So 2 into 4 into 3 is the LCM. 2 into 4 into 3 equals to how much? 24. Now we have to change the denominator to 24. To make it 24, we have to multiply by 4. 6 into 4. Because we cannot change the value, so we have to multiply the numerator also by 4. Same. Equals to 44/24. Now 13/8 equals to, we have to change the denominator to 24. We have to multiply by 3. So 13 into 3 equals to 39/24. Now can we say which is bigger? Yes, sure. So Geeta has, we can say Geeta has 44/24. 44/24 liters. And Mamun has 39/24 liters. So who has more? 44/24 is larger. 44/24 is larger than 39/24. Therefore, Geeta has more juice. So we already answered one question, that is who has more juice? Geeta has more juice. Okay, what is the amount? How much more she has? Always to find the difference, how much more or how much less, how many more, how many, whatever, how many more or how many less. All this type of question can be answered by one operation, that is deduction, minus. All these answer can be answered. So we have to use the deduction, and deduction is always from the larger, then subtract the smaller from the bigger. So here we deduct the more juice. Gita has more juice. How much more? Gita has 44 over 24 minus 39 over 24. 39 over 24 equals to 24, the common denominator. So it's pretty simple. 44 to calculate. It's very simple. 44 minus 39 equals to 5 over 24. Gita has 5 over 24 liter more juice. More juice. This is the answer to the second question. What is the amount? The amount is 5 over 24 liter. Therefore, answer is Gita has 5 over 24 liters more juice. Okay, that is it. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.